So now Max has gone through the security, I want to go for a quick run through on the audio side of it. Let's get inside the Defender and just see what's going on in this beautiful one. So starting with the top of the windscreen, we've got the Thinkware U1000 Dashcam. Now that's linked to a rear dashcam and an iVolt battery. In the dashboard here is the Pioneer double-din AVIC-Z920 with full built-in nav and wireless Apple CarPlay. The speakers we chose for this one was the Hertz Mille Pros. Now the front tweeter's mounted flush there. As you can see, it looks quite nicely at home there. 3-inch mid-range mounted underneath here. And then in the seat boxes, we've actually mounted the 6.5-inch mid bass. Now these produce outstanding bass down the bottom end without the need for an added subwoofer. Now if we go around the back, obviously excuse all the old boxes we've got here. The amplifier is mounted on the back of the console. That's a Hertz ML4 amplifier, and that is running the front speakers passive actively. Now if you look at the rear window, you can also see the U1000 rear dash cam. All the lead has been hidden within the rubber, so that is a nice tidy installation there. If we come down to the top of the vehicle, you'll see the reverse cam we've added. That's an Alpine HDR camera for the back. That does help with seeing all those low-level objects. Have another new view from this side, just so you can actually have a look at the auto box in here, because how many Defenders do you ever see that's got an automatic transmission that's also digital? Now, like Max said in the previous video, this is running a Corvette V8 LS3 engine. Such an animal. But what we'll also talk about quickly before you go is the beasting aerial. So this aerial here replaces the factory Hertz on the front wing. That gives you superb DAB and FM AM reception. Thanks for watching this quick walkthrough video on this audio upgraded Defender. I'm sure we'll have many more videos on Defenders to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Audio system sounds fantastic in here, although my favourite sound of this vehicle is the Corvette V8 engine underneath the hood. Thanks for watching.